Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. Just a quick video showing you R&R of the rear shockers. This is a 120 Prado, but the 150 is the same. The 90s are a bit harder, they're a bit different, and other vehicles. Similar sort of stuff anyway. You don't have to take the spring out to change the rear shocker on this vehicle at the rear, which is the same with, you know, most live axle vehicles sort of thing. It's only where there's a coilover or strut in place, you've got to remove the whole assembly usually. Now it's with the Dobinsons gear, it's a 19mm nut up on the top and the 17mm bolt down at the bottom there, center of the picture. So we're just around the other side, we're starting to disassemble that. So just go around there and show you that one. So might as well touch on the reason we're replacing, why they're coming out here. So these are a bit over 2 years old, nearly 2.5 years old. So technically out of warranty, but when you go through thousands of these shockers, you're going to have one leak every now and then. We've probably had, it might be 5 now over the last sort of, 5 or 10 years. So not a bad hit rate, but the service is second to none. And you can see this one, it has been leaking. You can see all that stain there from the oil, right? And I just wanted to show you. So we've got the 17mm ratchet spanner on the top to undo that, which we haven't started yet. Just show, I'm not going to have the whole action video. You know how to undo a nut, and that'll just compress down and come out, and you can close that up, push it down, and then take this bottom bolt out. We showed you the other side. This one's already out. There it is. And this is what the bolt looks like. It's just here. So make sure you refit those to manufacturer's torque specifications. Obviously we do it by hand. We've been doing it for a while. So pretty straightforward. Obviously you got to take the wheels off when you put them back on. Torque specification for the wheel nuts as well, very important. Right guys, and also might as well say, service was second to none. Even though it was out of warranty, we did a bit of a deal where we said, well, we'll buy one, can you cover the other one? And no questions asked, covered. So I think the service is really awesome, and companies we deal with, that's the way it needs to be. If it's not, we won't use them anymore. So 2 brand new shockers to go in, and then he'll be able to keep one for a spare. This vehicle's about to go on the canning stock route, so might be worth having a spare, you never know. Alright guys, thanks for watching, see ya.